Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I love making DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos. And in today's video, I'm participating in the Sunday Fun Day challenge hosted by Diane and Jani from Deco Easy and also Trish and Kay from Crafting Cousins. All of them are amazing creators and I've linked the channels in the description box below. Definitely check them out, they are superb. And also do check out the playlist for the other creators for awesome inspiration. So let's begin with the video. So my today's video is all about making a fun and very simple fall wheel wreath. To make the wreath, I first took an embroidery hoop. You can also take a hula hoop in case you want your wreath to be huge. And then I took some bamboo skewers. They are in jumbo size and I measured them to size from the center and then cut it to size. Next I took a small circular foam board and this will help me fix my skewers to place. I pushed the sharp end into the foam board and glued the other end of the bamboo skewer to the hoop like so. Similarly, one by one, I glued all the skewers to form a wheel-like structure for the wreath. You can take as many bamboo skewers as you want, and these are going to act as the spokes of the bicycle to form the wreath. The next step was to color the wheel frame, and for that I took silver metallic acrylic paint and did 2 generous coats of paint for a flawless metallic finish. Once the wheel frame was completely dry, I started gluing fall leaves in different hues onto the frame. I experiment with leaf colors and I colored few of the leaves in silver, gold, bronze and copper metallic paint, and I also added few yellow and purple leaves for some pop of color. To add more fullness to the wreath, I added some maroon berries, and I think they look great against those olive green leaves in the background. And finally, a fall wreath cannot be complete without pumpkins, so I added these mini pumpkins and a little sunflower, and this completes the look of the fall wreath that I wanted to achieve. Now, to add a little bit of more character to my wreath, I made a gnome out of cardboard and I painted it with acrylic paint. So you can see I first sketched out the gnome on cardboard and then cut it to shape, gave some basic features to the gnome, and then I started painting it with the help of acrylic paint. For the beard, I used white acrylic paint, and for the cap of the gnome, I wanted to make it into a buffalo check print. So this is how I achieved the look of the gnome. This is actually a different video that I made for a previous project, and I'm going to reuse this gnome. And it is an interchangeable gnome that we can change according to the seasons. I have linked that video in the description box in case you want to check out how this gnome can transform into various seasonal decor. So I'm going to use this gnome for my fall decor onto the wreath, and I think this is a really sweet and cute addition to my fall wreath. You'll just see how cute it looks once I place it on the wreath. So finally I glued my gnome to the center of the wreath, and this is how my fall wheel wreath looks with the little interchangeable gnome. And isn't it looking super cute and so unique? I really enjoyed creating this wreath, and I'm so happy how cute it is looking, and it turned out so adorable. I would really like to thank Diane and Jani and Trish and Kay for hosting this fun challenge. I really enjoyed a lot. If you enjoyed watching this video of mine today, please do consider subscribing and hit the like button. Share it with your family and friends, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.